Tired of endlessly scrolling through Redfin and wish you could grab all that sweet property data for your own analysis? Well, you're in the right place, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to export Redfin data so you can analyze it offline or import it into your favorite tools. First off, let's talk about the manual method. This is the most basic way to get your data. Simply navigate to the Redfin webpage with the property information you want, and then manually copy and paste the desired details, like price, square footage, address and other features, into a spreadsheet. Is time-consuming, but it works for small amounts of data. For larger datasets, consider web scraping. This involves using software or browser extensions to automatically extract data from Redfin pages. There are a ton of tools out there, some free and some paid, so do a bit of research and find the one that best suits your needs and technical skills. You can search for web scraping tools on Google. Be aware that Redfin's terms of service may restrict web scraping, so be sure to check that. Finally, while Redfin does not have a public API, which is a method for extracting data, third-party APIs may exist. Before using any of these, check the terms of service and see if you will be in compliance. And there you have it, a few ways to get that valuable data out of Redfin. Whether you choose to manually copy and paste, use a web scraper, or a third-party API, you now have the power to unlock Redfin's hidden insights.